Mr. Ajit Pawar had every right to sign it within a minute. Whether
every right.
Farmers' file was illegal. Farmers' file was illegal.
Instead of giving the land back to the farmers, he gives it to Nitin Gadkari.
That's what I've told you. I will have to check upon it. But you cannot ask a question, why did he sign it in 4 days?
Of course.
That cannot be a question.
I have just
that
one
is my
question.
authority and right. When, what time and where?
Mr. Rawat, we have a right.
I have one question.
1 minute. Aryaman Sundaram has a question and Madhu God Yakshi has a question. First to Aryaman Sundaram. Yes, Aryaman Sundaram.
The question I have is that there is an allegation of an illegality, not just an impropriety. There is an allegation that something has wrongly been done. I want to know whether today we have enough details given to us, we have enough information given to us, any evidence sufficient given to us that we say, yes, it appears that there has been this illegal act. Or is it at this stage an allegation based on certain inferences? Now that is the question. I was not fully satisfied when I saw the press conference that there were more than inferences, that there was actual strong evidence which would make out such a prima facie case. Now, I believe that if such an allegation is there, it should definitely be looked into, definitely be probed. But I must say the hype given to the whole thing, and maybe to a great extent the media was to blame because this has been hyped the whole day. I do not think at the end of it all, the hype given for the whole thing came out with an expose of some scam, which is the super scam, which it was made out to be. It appears to be a revelation of an irregularity, an illegality, an impropriety which has taken place, which needs to be looked into and probed, and nothing more.
But Mr. Sundaram, my limited point to you is, what has this country been debating over the last couple of years? Improprieties, irregularities,
another. That's exactly what I'm
illegalities.
saying. He has come up with yet another one. I'm talking about the build-up which came.
Tell me one occasion.
Build-up was nothing
tell me one occasion
in the political build-up.
One occasion.
The build-up was a political build-up.
Yes, of course, it's a political party.
It was a political build-up.
It's a political party.
Was not commensurate with the details, with the evidence which was divulged.
And my question,
not commensurate as a big expose. But what it did do was to now get the two. Like I said, the cats among the pigeons, and parties are now busy fighting against each other. I've got Khurshid to attack, you've got Gadkari to attack. My only question is, what was the spin-off?
Why don't I just step back, and why don't I just say that forget the part of the build-up. The fact is that today, if you are attacking Mr. Madhu God, you are attacking Nitin Gadkari, then why are you silent on Ajit Pawar? Why don't you ensure that Ajit Pawar not just leaves the Maharashtra government, but that your alliance partners, the NCP, are forced to come out and explain how Ajit Pawar and the government in which you are in alliance with Sharad Pawar's party are giving away farmers' land to the BJP president. How are they giving farmers' land to the BJP president? Just because you should be asking them the question, because it could be that Ajit Pawar wants to do a post-election deal with the BJP after the 2014 or 2013 elections, and this is all part of that preparation for that. Keep a great relationship with the BJP, oblige the BJP president in some way, so that you can take the political capital for it whenever you want.
Arnab, let me quickly answer. Your voice was very not clear.
Mr. Rawat, I'm coming to you. Mr. Rawat, I'm coming to you. Let's hear the Congress.
Let me make it a couple of points clear here, Mr. Arnab. First of all, I'm really shocked you are saying it. Today we are disappointed by revelation what Kejriwal has did it. I was really shocked for your reaction, not finding any credible when a national party president, when you found in a credible and shocking and revealing, when two individuals in a business transaction, you found it very credible and shocking to the nation. Here, a party president takes up the farmers' land, which otherwise known for farmers' suicides. He misrepresents the government. You are questioning about Ajit Pawar's decision here.
Yes.
Mr. Ajit Pawar is already resigned on this irrigation scam.
Mr. Gaur.
Probe is on. Let me clear, I will clear the next question. Let me answer this quickly after listening all the conversation what you have done it here. You have to, how you're not finding it's a shocking and revealing when such a party president grabbing the land of farmers and taking the
I am, but who gave him the land?
Misrepresenting.
Who gave him the land?
Misrepresenting. Let if government
Who?
beneficiary, he is a beneficiary.
Who
Mr. Gadkari
beneficiary
is a
from which state
beneficiary.
government? Who gave him the
He is
land?
the land. Which state government?
Congress NCP government.
Congress government, Arunabh, Congress government.
Whether state
Congress government gave it to BJP. God should say it's Congress government.
Whether Mr. Gadkari paid the state government, whether Mr. Gadkari bribed the state government or the minister, that could be probed. But how can you not finding it's in a shocking when a party president of National Party grabbing the government land, misrepresenting, taking the farmers' land,
But
using it for business
Mr. Madhu God, why
How
should
can you
I
not
only
finding
look at
it
one
shocking?
side of the story?
Given
I
by
have-
Prithviraj Chauhan. The land has been given by Congress Chief Minister.
Who has given the
Let
land,
me tell
Mr.
you,
God?
if a thief steals a gold and sells it to the goldsmith, and goldsmith is buying in property, is also involved in the crime, and he's also made responsible for the crime. But here, how can you not say Gadkari is not responsible?
And now let me give you an analogy. Now I'll give you an analogy. I'll give you an analogy. I will give you an analogy.
Yeah.
Suppose a thief enters your house and you have a guard, a security man at the gate. The security man and the thief both enter into some kind of a happy friendship. The security man opens the door for the guard to enter into the house and then closes the door after the thief has taken the money away. Will you then say, oh, let's not ask the security man, poor fellow, he didn't take the money?
We'll make a security guard is also responsible, not doing
So who's
his
the
duty.
security guard here?
Yeah, if Ajit, fine. If security guard involves with the thief and steals my own property, obviously.
No, but who is the security guard here, sir? It's your Maharashtra Congress NCP government.
Well, that exactly I'm coming to. Maharashtra NCP government.
Kumar
Mr.
Vishwas.
Sharad Pawar, Ajit Pawar already resigned. Mr. Ajit Pawar is already resigned on the allegations of irrigation scam.
Sir, 1
probe
minute.
is on.
Sir,
Let that probe is
sir, the
continue.
question
But
is,
how
Kumar-
can you already
I believe-
exonerate Mr. Gadkari
I
of the
believe-
serious nature of crime?
I believe-
How can you not finding it's revealing?
I am
How can you
questioning
not find
Gadkari.
It is appealing.
I am
because it's an
questioning
opposition
Gadkari.
leader.
I
You
am
find it
questioning
anything
Gadkari.
on Congress, you find it very
I
interesting.
am questioning Gadkari. I believe that a political party president should have the courage to say, I will not take 1 square inch of land that should be rightly that of farmers. And if Mr. Nitin Gadkari wants to say today, I did not know, then he would be fooling the entire country to say he does not know who the farmers come from. But Kumar Vishwas also wanted to come in. Navika, I'm coming back to you on whether both sides actually will have a lot to answer. Kumar Vishwas.
अर्नब, मैं एक बात ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक तो जो हमारे एनसीपी के साथी हैं, उन्होंने जो सबसे शुरू में कहा कि 4 मिनट लगे कि 4 सेकंड लगे, हु दे आर टू क्वेश्चन, यही एरोगेंस, यही एटीट्यूड, यही एरोगेंस ऑफ पावर रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के केस में देखने को मिलता है, अजीत पवार के केस में देखने को मिलता है। जब हम एक के बारे में बात करते हैं तो बीजेपी कहती है कांग्रेस की बी टीम है, कांग्रेस के बारे में बोलिए तो वो कहते हैं कि ये भाजपा की बी टीम है। तो ये जो बी टीम का आप एक आरोप लगाकर भ्रष्टाचार की बातों को दबाना चाहते हैं, ये अब आगे नहीं चलेगा किसी भी तरीके से। और अजीत पवार ने इस्तीफा दिया है तो कोई राष्ट्र के लिए बलिदान नहीं किया। वो अंजलि दमानिया ने आवाज उठाई थी, वेयर वर बीजेपी, बीजेपी कहां थी? बात तो यहीं से शुरू हुई ना कि अंजलि उनके पास गई, अंजलि ने कहा कि साहब देखिए इरिगेशन में इतना घोटाला हो रहा है, लेकिन नितिन गडकरी साहब ने कहा कि भैया हमारे 4 काम वो करते हैं, 4 काम हम उनके करते हैं, इसलिए हम नहीं जा सकते। रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ग्रो करें, नितिन गडकरी ग्रो करें एज ए बिजनेसमैन, हमें खुशी होगी। हम तो कह रहे हैं ना, आप करिए ना, आप मांग करिए, आप मांग करिए, आप मांग करिए ना, आप किसी आप उनका इस्तीफा नहीं मांगते, आपका इस्तीफा नहीं मांगते।
Jitendra Awad, tonight the Congress party is actually demanding Gadkari's resignation. That's the big story. Madhu God, are you saying this tonight as a responsible Congress leader that Nitin Gadkari should resign?